The best circular alternative that performs similarly to the best circular saws, but that you can transport while working to make rapid, precise cuts when needed. We examine the best circular saws to see how well they function and how safe they are for deers, because they are still rather new, having entered the market only a decade or two ago. There are many products available to choose from the best circular saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video, and also make sure Number 5. T36V Multivolt Cordless Rear Handle Circular Saw. The Metabo HPT embodies aspects of the traditional left blade circular saw that has endeared it to generations of carpenters. Its chief virtue is that it has a high power-to-weight ratio. This is a fast cutter, even if it's not quite as strong as the DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Flex rear handle saws, but, depending on the saw you're comparing it to, it is almost 3 to 4 pounds lighter. Since house framing is all about speed, weight counts. Shaving a couple of pounds off may equate to finishing the house sooner, which could contribute to your bottom line. But let's say that you're simply a do-it-yourself owner-builder type. This circular saw is a pleasure to use for just about any D project. It cuts any typical framing material, but also handles the 4x6 pressure-treated timber we use to test rear handle saws, with enough power for full-depth cuts of about 2.5 inches. That means you can use it for breaking down plywood sheets or lengths of hardwood lumber for the furniture you want to build. In fact, bevels, as it did full-depth rips and crosscuts, are verdict. Its lightweight power and easy handling features help to make this a truly productive circular. 4. Milwaukee Circular Saw. You can't help but be impressed by this Milwaukee saw's cutting power and longevity. Slide in a massive 12Ah battery, and you've got several hours of carpentry capability, unencumbered by a cord. Our 4x6 pressure-treated lumber was no match for it, barely putting a dent in its battery capacity. Furthermore, it really does cut with the same authority that we get from our old corded worm gear saw, but the Milwaukee is infinitely safer and more productive due to its electric brake that instantly stops the blade the moment you let off the trigger. Would Milwaukee be suitable for framing a house? Yes, in the sense that its massive motor and equally sturdy gear assembly provide it the power to spare more than enough for house carpentry. On the other hand, all that motor and gear assembly creates a lot of outboard weight and bulk to the right of the blade. In that respect, it's very much like a corded worm gear saw. So if you're already framing with a corded worm gear saw and have a well-developed right forearm, the Milwaukee is a good fit for you. The positive side: affordable. The negative side of this product includes storage bag. Number 3. 20V Cordless Circular Saw. This petite saw weighs a mere 8.6 pounds. Yet we found it to be unusually capable. Equipped with a 7.25-inch blade, it made short work of 4x6 pressure-treated lumber, 2x10 Douglas fir, 3D 4-inch plywood, and laminate flooring. And with the 4Ah battery, this saw does a significant amount of work before you need to swap in a new one or give it a recharge. To those attributes, we would also add that it's well-balanced and easy to handle. While anyone can appreciate those features, it's especially nice if you use the saw only on weekends for home projects. The positive side of this product: surprisingly powerful, affordable. The negative side of this product includes a storage bag. Number 2. Craftsman 20V Cordless Circular Saw. We like this 20-volt saw's handling, lightweight power, and fantastic line of sight to the blade. So much so that we used it to test 7.25-inch circular saw blades that we were investigating for recent coverage. We didn't pamper it, cutting Douglas fir framing lumber and red oak. Everything about the saw is excellent, from its workmanship to its reliable cordless power to the accuracy of its cut. If you're in the 20-volt Craftsman system, we fully recommend adding this to your arsenal. You won't be disappointed. The positive side of this product: high quality, affordable. The negative side of this product: lower. Number 1. Amp Corded Circular Saw. The Craftsman renaissance is real, since Stanley Black & Decker, also the owner of DeWalt, bought the company in 2017. Craftsman tools have been improving. We've always liked the brand, and we were very pleased to find this saw carrying on a capable tradition of high-quality power tools. Yes, the Craftsman's motor is a bit smaller than the Skill in terms of its amperage, but the cutting performance between the two tools is negligible. That Skill ranked slightly higher for us due to the fact that the edge of the CMES 500's shoe isn't quite parallel to the blade, creating minor inaccuracy when you run the saw along a square in crosscuts or use a long straight edge for rips. Fortunately, if you apply a little extra due diligence, you can keep the saw cutting true. The positive side of this product: powerful, lightweight. The negative side of this product: the blade and the edge of the shoe are slightly off parallel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.